You want to see a photo when I was a baby? This is me when I was a baby. This is me when I was a baby. Oh, oh my god, this photo of Christmas. Let me show you this photo. Yeah. Oh my god, I am getting old. I wanted to. What do you mean, Snoopy? I am hungry. I should make bread with bread, bread bread with peanut butter and cheese, or not? Because I feel that I am getting fat. I don't want to be American. I don't want to be blonde and fat and old. Sometimes I cannot blame passport bros. Sometimes I understand them. No, you're perfect. Oh, thank you, Panutlo. Isad. Hola, Isad. Mm, I hope when I get old, I don't be fat and I don't have wrinkles. Which is your nationality? I'm from Colombia and Vietnam. Isad. Hola, Isad. Passport.